Lake School. Hi, my name is Emily.
And my name is Nicola.
And we are coming to you live from the Lake School Weather Studio.
Today we'll be learning about weather you can expect from across the country.
First, we need to learn more about what is weather.
The weather is just state of the atmosphere at any time, including things such as temperature.
Because the Earth is round and not flat, the sun's rays don't fall evenly on the lands and oceans. The sun shines more directly near the equator, bringing these areas more warmth. However, the polar regions are at such an angle to the sun, they get little or no sunlight during the winter, causing much colder temperatures.
Now to Devin, Masu, and Camilla with our first weather report from Elk Grove Village, Illinois, who are currently experiencing a severe thunderstorm.
And we are coming to you live from Elk Grove Village, where we are experiencing a thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. It is produced by clouds, usually producing gusty winds, however, rain and sometimes hail.
Here's what to expect if you are in the area. There might be strong winds, lightning, and rain, sometimes hail.
Thunderstorms can occur year-round at all hours.
But they are most likely to happen in the spring during the afternoon and evening hours. If you are outside, look for darkening skies, flashes of lightning, or increasing winds. Lightning often precedes rain, so don't wait for the rain to begin. If you hear thunder, go to a safe place immediately.
And now go to Morgan and Andre in Kansas to learn about their weather.
Thank you. We are Anjali and Morgan and are coming to you from Kansas today where weather conditions are ready for a tornado.
A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, or hurl vehicles on hundreds of yards.
Here's what to expect if you live in Kansas. There are tornadoes like once every month.
Before a tornado, have a disaster plan. Make sure everyone knows where to go in case the tornado threatens.
During a tornado, go to the basement. If you don't have a basement, go to the interior room without windows on the floors first, such as a bathroom or closet.
If you're at school during a tornado, every school should have a disaster plan and have frequent drills. Basement offer the best protection.
Most tornadoes form thunderstorms. You need warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from Canada. When these two air masses meet, they create instability in the atmosphere. A change of wind direction and an increase of wind speed with increasing height creates an invisible horizontal spinning effect in the lower atmosphere.
And now we're going to Nathan and Angel in Florida to learn about their weather. In your slide.
Thank you. I'm coming live to you from Kansas. We are experiencing a tornado. Well, you'll see it's a very big tornado, you see. It's just taking houses down to the ground. It's so rainy and cloudy, I can't even see anything. It is so rainy and dangerous out here. A lot of people are getting injured. So stay in your houses, lock yourself in your bathrooms or a small room, and be safe out there. Reporting live from Kansas. Back to you in the WLNK Weather Center.
Say it again. Reporting live from Kansas. Go.
Reporting live from Kansas. Back to you in the
Stop. Pause. Say it again.
Reporting live from Kansas. Back to you in the WLNK Weather Center.
Okay, you're good?
Thank you. I am AJ and are coming to you from Florida. Today, where weather conditions are ready for a hurricane. A hurricane is a huge storm. It can be 600 miles across. A hurricane can spin to 75 to 200 miles per hour. Now that is fast. The eye of the storm is the safest place to be. It is the calmest part. Large waves form a hurricane. Here's what to expect if you live in Florida. Winds from 39 to 74 miles per hour, high winds, down power lines, flooding, and possible storm surge. A storm surge is a mountain of water that forms in the ocean. This water piles up and is unable to escape anywhere but on land, as the storm carries it landward. This causes major flooding. What should we do to stay safe? Have a disaster plan and a pet plan ready before a storm. Board up windows and take stuff in from outside that may blow away. Prepare a disaster supplies kit for your home and car, including a safety and emergency kit. And call your vet or doctor if you or your pet is hurt. And have a battery-powered radio flashlight, protective clothing, and have some cash just in case if you need supplies. And now we go to Ryan and Jody in Alaska to learn about their weather.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
And my name is Jody, and we are coming to you from Alaska today where weather conditions are ready for a blizzard.
A blizzard is a long-lasting storm with very strong winds and intense snowfall.
A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with winds in excess of 35 miles per hour and visibility of less than a quarter mile for more than 3 hours. Blizzards can also occur after snowfall when high winds cause whiteouts and snowdrifts, which decrease visibility.
Here is what to expect if you live in Alaska. There has been a snowstorm that has lasted for a long time, and lots of snow is on the ground.
For the storm to be safe, you should have a first aid kit, food supply, water bottles, batteries, flashlights, protective clothing, and blankets.
Be aware of changing weather during the storm. Stay indoors, dress warmly, eat regularly, watch for signs of hypothermia, frostbite. After a winter storm, avoid driving. Heart attacks can happen while shoveling snow.
And now we go to Dan in Arizona to learn about the weather.
Thank you. We are Dan and Zena and are coming to you from Arizona. Today, the weather conditions are ready for a heat advisory.
A heat advisory is the combination of air temperature and humidity that gives a description of how the temperature feels.
Here's what to expect if you live in Arizona. It's going to be super hot and so much humidity. It will be dry and hard to breathe. Be careful not to get heat stroke.
Heat stroke is a condition caused by exposure to excessive heat and characterized by high fever, headaches, high body temperatures, and in severe cases, convulsions or coma.
What should you do to stay safe? On a hot day, don't perform strenuous activities. Don't get too much sun. Have plenty of fans on. Drink lots of cold water or cold juice.
Back to Emily and Michaela in the Link Weather Studio.
Thank you for all of those great weather reports.
Hope you have learned something about weather and how to stay safe in different weather conditions.
Thank you for tuning into WLNK Weather Center. Have a wonderful, fantastic, weather-filled day.